This trader just reached an impressive $13 million milestone, starting with just $1,500, and what's more, his trades are public and you can see his exact account history. Today, we are discussing the fantastic story of Tim Grittani, a stock trader who started with just $1,500 and turned it into an impressive $1 million in just 3 years. However, he didn't stop there. Tim Grittani currently sits at over $13 million in profit, and in today's video we will be showing you how he did it. It is truly a remarkable accomplishment that requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But before we dive into Grittani's journey, it's essential to understand the world of penny stocks and how they can be traded for profit. Penny stocks are low-priced, small-cap stocks that are traded on the over-the-counter market. They can be riskier than other stocks due to their lack of liquidity and potentially volatile price movements. However, they also have the potential for huge returns if traded successfully. This is what makes penny stocks so attractive to many traders, as they can provide the opportunity to make significant profits in a relatively short period. Now, let's talk about Grittani's story and how he turned $1,500 into way over $13 million. Grittani first became interested in the stock market while studying business at Michigan State University. He was drawn to the idea of controlling his own financial future and making money through his own efforts. This is a common theme among successful traders who desire to succeed and take control of their economic destinies. Grittani began trading penny stocks and quickly learned the ins and outs of the market through trial and error. However, he faced numerous challenges and problems along the way, including significant losses and setbacks. This is a common experience among traders, as the stock market is inherently risky, and there is no guarantee of success. However, Grittani persevered and continued to learn and adapt, eventually succeeding in his trading endeavors. Overall, Grittani's story is about determination, hard work, and a willingness to take risks and learn from mistakes. His journey from a beginner trader with just $1,500 to a successful investor with millions of dollars in profits is genuinely inspiring. It shows that anyone can succeed in the stock market with the right mindset and approach. But Grittani refused to let these obstacles hold him back. Instead, he used them as opportunities to learn and improve. He knew setbacks and failures were simply a part of the learning process, and he was determined to turn every challenge into a lesson. To do this, he devoted himself to studying and learning as much as he could about the stock market and trading strategies. He read books, watched educational videos, and sought out mentors who could guide him on his journey. Grittani was relentless in his pursuit of knowledge and understanding and was willing to put in the time and effort required to become a successful trader. He spent countless hours researching and analyzing different stocks and markets, always looking for ways to improve his skills and increase his chances of success. Through persistence and hard work, Grittani eventually developed a successful trading strategy that allowed him to turn a profit consistently. This was no small feat, as the stock market is highly competitive and unpredictable, and it requires a great deal of skill and discipline to succeed. But Grittani was up to the challenge, and his dedication and determination paid off. At the end of 2013, Grittani reached a significant milestone when he turned his initial investment of $1,500 into $1 million. This was a huge accomplishment and represented the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. Grittani had come a long way from his days as a beginner trader and was now a seasoned and successful investor. But he wasn't done yet. From there, he continued to grow his portfolio and achieve even greater levels of success, eventually turning his initial investment of $1,500 into over an impressive $4 million. He continued to trade and invest, always looking for new opportunities to grow his wealth. Through his hard work and dedication, he built his wealth to over $13 million, becoming one of the most successful traders of his time. Along the way, he gained a reputation as a top stock trader. He began sharing his knowledge and experience with others through educational courses. In addition to his trading career, Grittani is also known for his philanthropic efforts. He even funded the Tim Grittani School in Bali, which supports education and entrepreneurship initiatives worldwide. Grittani regularly gives back to the community and helps others succeed in their endeavors. Now let's take a look at the basic bread and butter setup from Grittani. First, let's head over to TradingView. Grittani has been seen using the VWAP indicator frequently, however, this strategy only uses price action. The strategy is similar to the one we covered in our previous video. It involves identifying a stock that has broken out of a long-term range and consolidated for a few days, then entering a trade as the stock breaks aggressively to the upside. So we will first be looking for a stock that has broken out of a consolidation phase. As you can see, this occurred here. Once this happens, we will wait for a pullback and a second consolidation phase. As you can see, we see this happening here. As soon as the price breaks out of this consolidation, we will enter into the position. We will be looking to place the stop loss at a recent support zone. As you can see, this zone has offered support in the past, so let's place the stop loss here. For the take profit, we will be looking for a resistance zone. We see here that the price has previously bounced back from this price point. Because of this, we will place the take profit here. Now let's see how the trade plays out. As you can see, the trade was very profitable. Now let's take a look at Grittani's exact win rate and trades he has taken in the past. If you're interested in seeing Grittani's impressive track record, you can visit the website Profitly, where he goes by the username CroyRunner. His account shows a consistently high return on investment and serves as an inspiration to other traders. As you can see, he currently has an average win rate of about 67%, and he currently has a total profit of over $13 million. You can also see his average gain per trade and how many trades he has made over the years. Grittani's success is not just a matter of luck, but the result of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Grittani's story is truly an inspiration to anyone looking to succeed in trading and investing. Grittani's story is a testament to the power of hard work and dedication. He started with just $1,500 and turned it into an impressive $13 million through persistence, learning, and a willingness to take calculated risks. He is a true example of how anyone can achieve financial success through determination and a growth mindset. He is a firm believer in the importance of education and is passionate about helping others achieve their financial goals. Through his mentorship and educational resources, Grittani has assisted countless individuals in learning about the stock market and embarking on their journey toward financial freedom. While Grittani's story is remarkable, he is not the only trader who has achieved great success in the stock market. Many other traders continue to excel in the market daily. By following in the footsteps of successful traders like Grittani and adopting a similar mindset and approach, anyone can achieve financial success in the stock market. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let us know what you think about Grittani and make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video to help us keep creating these free videos.